Hey, it's me. It's Sunny. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. Sorry, it's so loud. Like, my boyfriend's just watching TV. He's watching The Office, and I'm actually gonna get back in there and watch some more. It's one of my favorite shows, and it's actually a little bit dark in here, but I wanted to showcase this light that I just bought, and it's been a really rainy Memorial Day. But this video is, I think, my first real makeup tutorial, and let's just go ahead and get into the video. So first I use my BB cream foundation, and here is all the products that I will be using in this video tutorial. The first product I'm going to use is the Too Faced Unicorn Tears Bronzer Highlighter Palette. And with that, I'm using my unicorn makeup brush that I got at Forever 21. The next thing that I'm using is my Too Faced Life's a Festival eyeshadow palette that I got at Ulta, part of the festival collection. This color that I'm using is the Unicorn Tears eyeshadow, which is also a highlighter. The next eyeshadow that I'm using is the Desert Vibes matte eyeshadow. The next color is the blue Dusk Teal Dawn. After that, I use Beamin'. And then the next one is Mystic Rain. Now as we move on to the lips, I'm using Melted Matte by Too Faced in the shade of Queen Bee. Next, part of the festival collection is the Mermaid Tears lipstick, and then followed by the Unicorn Tears lipstick. Next, we go into the Mermaid Tears lip topper. Followed by the Unicorn Tears lip topper as well. The next thing that I used is the Line Stiletto eyeliner by Maybelline New York. Followed by Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics. And that's it for the makeup, and now we move on to the hair. So I'm brushing out the bottom layers of my hair, and I put the top layers in a bun so I can get that ready. I use the Infinity by Connor U-Curl, and I've had this for 5 years and is still in working condition. What I like to do when I'm curling my hair is I try and start on one side at a time and then pull as much of my hair to the side as possible. That way there's no issue in doing the back. Now moving on to the top layers, and this part doesn't take nearly as long as the bottom. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Bye!